this time let's play some games. I'll play 3 games that will improve your color vision. I have 3 games that I want to play. The first one is called Color by Method AC. The second one is Eye Test, and the third one is by X-Rite, the same company that creates those color targets that I use. Okay, let's play these games, and let's do so that I will play kind of like a benchmark, and then I want you to play these games as well and tell me your scores, like your high scores in the comments below, and let's compare. I would like to see like how good is my color vision compared to yours. So okay, let's start. The first one, this first game by Method is this 6-part game, and you basically do these color tasks that get harder and harder every time. So the first one is just that I need to match the hue by turning this slider. Okay, and then the next part is that I have to match the hue and the saturation, both of them at the same time. So this is going to be much more challenging, and so on, and it will get harder and harder each time. Okay, so here's my score, 8.9. Can you beat it? Tell me in the comments. Let's play the second game. Okay, and the next game, this is in Finnish, but if you open the link, it will be in English or whatever your browser's language is set to. So basically the idea of the game is that you have to choose the chip that is different than the others. And let's start, and you see it in the first, it's very easy, but then it gets harder and harder to try and figure out which one is the different chip. And this will really give you it will train your eye to see small tiny nuance differences in colors. And of course this is much easier if you have a good computer to do this with, or a good display to do it with. Okay, this one is really difficult. Ooh, what is happening? And there's a bit of a trick here. If I blink my eyes, I can refresh the color vision in my eyes. Let's see if I can break my record. 30. So if I can break this, yeah, my personal record, yes. Okay, so my score was 35. Also, and then the third game from X-Rite. So this is a simple kind of like put the hues in order, and then I'll ask the computer, like ask the software, did I get them right? So I'll try to get the hues in order. So I'll just change the order of these blocks. I think the first row is in order. Okay, I think the second one is in order. The third one is in order. Okay, I think the hues are in order. Let's check my score. Okay, I got 0. Oh, that's quite bad. Oh, I mean, so 0 about the score. A lower score is better, with 0 being a perfect score. So I got the perfect score. Okay, well that's good. But basically these are the 3 games. So try these yourself and tell me in the comments how you scored. And the reason why I think these are important is that, for example, I don't use scopes when I'm doing color correction. And I think I can see with my own eyes which direction I should get my colors to. For example, I see if a skin tone is a bit too reddish or a bit too greenish. Of course, it means that you have to have a calibrated display to be able to use your eye correctly. But other than that, I think it's much better to have a good color eye than use scopes. What do you think? See you in the next one.